Welcome back, everyone. We have an update from the OLB Group, Inc. It trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol OLB and is a diversified fintech e-commerce merchant services provider and Bitcoin mining enterprise. The company's e-commerce platform delivers cloud-based merchant services for a comprehensive digital commerce solution to over 10,500 merchants in all 50 states. DMint, a wholly owned subsidiary of OLB Group, is engaged in the mining of Bitcoin in a facility in Tennessee, utilizing sustainable hydroelectric and solar power. Please welcome its president and CEO, Ronny Yakov, with Patrick Smith. Nice to see you, gentlemen.
Right. Thank you, Anna, for having us. Thank you, everyone, for being on the call. Patrick and myself, we're going to introduce the results of the operation of the first quarter. I would let Patrick start with the financial results first.
Sure. Thanks, Ronny. For the first quarter, our total revenue was $6.6 million compared to $8.8 million for the previous year. Same quarter, same year. So we are down this year, quarter over quarter. The net loss increased to $2.6 million compared to $1.6 million in the first quarter of 2022. The adjusted EBITDA was down. It was decreased to $1.4 million compared to a positive $752,000 for the first quarter of 2022. So the numbers have decreased some. The net loss on per common shares was down 6 cents to 17-cent loss compared to an 11-cent loss at the same time last year.
We're definitely aware of those results, and the reason to those results are due to we had to remove certain merchants from the last acquisition that we did end of 2021. That's a result of merchants being boarded not in compliance and illegally. So we forcefully removed them from the operation because we want to stay in compliance with the card regulation and brands. So that's because of it. There's ongoing litigation that is in motion with the company that sold those merchants to us. I would like to also to add a few highlights of the company that at the moment we are almost finalizing the new location of Selmer, Tennessee, with 1,000 machines. We anticipate within the next month and a half to be fully operational with 1,000 machines. End of this quarter, we're finishing the audited financials for DMint as a standalone. And as soon as that's done, we're going to file an S1 to spin off the entity itself. On the side that is the point of sale system and the core business of the operation, we are integrated to new devices, and we are starting already the implementation on towards selling products to bodegas that are in the US. We're primarily going to start with the New York region of bodegas as well. Patrick, you want to add anything?
I think one of the things we'd like to say, we've been talking about the summer location for a while now. We just literally received the transformers just 2 weeks ago to actually get the building up and running just a couple of weeks ago. So part of the thing is just we haven't been able to get the supplies to get the building where it was, and that's one of the things that slowed down. We now have all of that, and we are implementing it and putting it into place right now.
Right. And Anna, we're opening to any questions that are coming from the public.
Can you give us a time frame when you expect to spin off DMint to OLB shareholders?
Yes. As I mentioned, end of this month, we're finishing the audited financials. As soon as they're done, we're going to file the S1 for the spin-off. At this time, basically, once it's filed, it's pretty much at the mercy of the Security and Exchange. Depends how many comments we're going to get. So that's pretty much on the right path. We were comfortable that it would be finalized within the next 1 or 2 quarters as a standalone company.
Perfect. And do you expect to begin to deploy your point of sale system to bodegas soon?
Yes. We plan to start operation on those things within the range of the next 90 days.
Wonderful. Ronny or Patrick, do you have any closing remarks for our viewers?
Well, I mean, yes, we didn't have an exciting quarter. Regardless to that, the stock value is still very undervalued stock comparing to what we do. we have a few things that we're looking as far as additional acquisitions at the same time.
Okay, wonderful. Well, thank you so much for joining us for this update, and we look forward to seeing you guys again on our conference.
Thank you for having us.
Yep. Thanks, Anna. Have a great day.
Thank you too. Okay, stay with us, everyone. We'll be back at 3:40 for our next update with CDSG. We'll be right back.